Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here, bringing another video on information technology. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Saturday, and I want to make a quick video today. I just want to go over some books that were given to me by I guess authors. Obviously, you know what to do. Rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And today I want to go over books that were given to me. The reason why I want to do that and go over that is because I just want to say thank you for them to give me the books because these books cost money, right? So, one of the books that I got is from Jordan, which is Mastering Windows Server 2022. I actually have it right here. I'm looking down below because the book is like literally right in front of me. And you guys don't know, Jordan has this book called Mastering Windows Server 2022, and he goes over Active Directory, goes over a bunch of different things actually. I'll tell you right now what he goes over, just so you guys get an idea of what it is. So he goes over public cloud, private cloud, data center versus a server 22 essentials, desktop experience, hardware security, network security, protocols, obviously you know protocols, goes over Azure, goes over the different menus, different quick admin task menus, having access to the control panel, running an ISO, which is you need to know how to do that in some cases. The Windows Admin Center. Goes over a couple of different things: Forest's DNS, network connectivity, Active Directory recycle bin, which is what I have gone over several times. Forward lookup zones, reverse lookup zones, the ACP server, the ACP scope, remote access, ping, a bunch of other stuff, certificates, GP group policy, GP result, adding a trust sites, registry, etc., etc. Yeah, so this book goes over a lot of stuff. I only read some of the book. I haven't read the whole thing, but so far so good. It's a pretty solid book. Definitely recommend it if you guys don't mind supporting this author. He's from Packet. He has some really good books. I have another book from him. It's right behind me. I'm not gonna go over that today, but that's one book that I would recommend. The second book that I would recommend is from Corey J. Ball. He has a book called Hacking APIs. The book is right here. You guys can see right here. He actually signed this book because I met him in person. So literally, I was in the sticker behind right here. Literally, I was in an API event, API ethical hacking event, and yeah, he signed this book. So I'm gonna go to where he signed it. Is right there. Kevin, put my name in there. Put API hacking, and you put a signature right there, as you can see. And yeah, Corey has his own book. I am not sponsored by any of these authors, by the way. They just happen to give me a book because I don't know, because I have a YouTube channel, yes. But yeah, this is another good book. He goes over preparing your security tests, how web applications work, API hacking systems, web API security, how it works, URLs, HTTP, requests, methods, API vulnerabilities, API targets, attacking APIs, building an API testing lab, which is cool. So my ideas like for IT cybersecurity, specifically APIs, may come from this book, just letting you know, or may come from somewhere else. That's how I get my ideas sometimes. Literally, like I look at other content creators or I look at books or I feed off other people's ideas and just spin up my own version of it, if that makes sense. That's how I come up with my ideas. Sometimes people ask me, how do you come up with your own ideas? I literally like take motivation and inspiration from other people and I make my own version of it, if that makes sense. So that's another book I recommend, and I got it for free. He also is the technical trainer of API University. If you guys don't know what that is a free cybersecurity training platform by Dan. And I know Dan personally. I know him I actually know him by email. Like I speak with him a couple of times. I want to get him on my channel at some point, but Dan is the CEO of API University, and I'm going to share my screen and show you what that is real quick, and then we'll call it a day after that. All right. So give me a second. Screen uno. So if you go here, you type API University. It should be the second one. And if you go to courses, you have API penetration testing, API security fundamentals, and OWASP. If you go here, it's free. API security for PCI compliance, free. API documentation best practices, free. If you're brand new, I recommend you go over this one. CSO Dan is the CEO of it. So you go over that. And then the hacking one is by the same guy as Corey J. Ball. He's right here. He has a YouTube channel. Corey J. Ball has been teaching for a really long time. He's a technical trainer like me. And yeah, he teaches you how to create a lab, how to set up endpoints, APIs, scanning APIs, etc., etc. So yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing. Yeah, so that's it for me. The reason why I wanted to make a video is because they gave me a book for free. I have to acknowledge it. I'm not going to be someone that, yeah, you gave me a book and I forget about you. I greatly appreciate these authors for taking the time to reach out to me and taking the time to give me a book, because books cost money, obviously, and they gave me a book. So I have to say thank you for that, and I appreciate that. And if you guys love API hacking or you're into API, let me know in the comment down below. I'm not into API, but I'm starting to learn it, and I definitely like to make videos and actually learn more about it, if that makes sense. With that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful Saturday. Take care. Peace. Bye.